Welcome to Tech Jatra, your journey through the world of innovation, gadgets and future of the tech. And today in this video we will show you how we can control a GoPro using the smartwatch. Today we will be using GoPro Hero 10 as a test camera and Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic as the smartwatch. Now let's go to the application window. Open the Google Play Store, search for the Easy Black 10 app. Easy Black is available for different versions of GoPro like for Hero 12, 11, 10 and many others. But for now we will choose Easy Black 10. The app is downloading and now installing. Now let's open the app. It will ask for different permissions like location and others. Just give the required permissions. And hit the pair button. But before you do that, we need to put the GoPro in pairing mode as well. Now let's move on to that part. In GoPro, swipe down from top to get the quick menus and then swipe left and then to connection. First make sure that your wireless connection is turned on. Then go to connect device. It has many options like GoPro Quick app, the remote, Volta, waterproof shutter remote, but for now we will click on GoPro Quick. The GoPro is now on the pairing mode. Now on the watch, open the Easy Black 10 app. If it's open for the first time, it will show pair button, otherwise connect to GoPro. In my case, somehow the connection failed, so there is a reconnect button. Connection successful. Here we can see battery level of GoPro as well as of watch, and also video preset at top with the record button at button. When we hit the record button, the GoPro will start recording. If we hit it again, recording will stop. If we swipe left, then quick menu will appear where we can control various features of GoPro like voice command, wireless connection, location, lock and sound. If we swipe right, we'll ask if we want to turn off the app. If we press and hold for a few seconds, it will bring the option to put the GoPro to sleep mode and we can also shut it down. If we double press, it will allow us to change camera mode like video, photo, time-lapse and others. Now let's change to mode to photo and capture a photo. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and trends. See you in the next one.